Hello everybody. Now we are leading further, and here we will try to understand how to calculate depreciation. Earlier I told you one thing, that there are two methods by which we have to calculate depreciation in this year, that is in our syllabus. Okay, and in that the first one is the straight line method, which I earlier explained you. So what is the formula of depreciation to calculate with in the pattern of straight line method? So depreciation equal to cost of asset minus scrap value, means bangar value, upon estimated life of asset. Just we can assume that the cost of asset is, suppose, 10,000 and scrap value is 1,000. Okay, and estimated year is 10 years. So in that condition, what will be the depreciation? So see here, 10,000 minus 1,000 if you will do, you will get the 9,000. Okay, and so 900 is the depreciation by straight line method, and every year we will subtract 900. Is it clear? I gave heading here, and one more condition I have written: if percentage is not given. If percentage is not given, then only this formula is applicable, otherwise not. Is it clear? Similarly here, n minus number of years scrap value of asset upon cost price of asset into 100, and with the help of calci, whatever value is given, you have to sort out it. This is one thing. Now second thing, what accounting treatment means, basic general entries, that I am going to explain you, and from next part we will start the sums. So see the journal entries. See journal. Basically, when depreciation is calculated, in three journal entry basically we passed. First is when asset we purchase. Asset, when I say the asset, it means machinery or the furniture, whatever is there in that. So asset means the machinery account debit or the furniture account debit to bank account. Why? Machinery is your real account. Goods is coming in the business, debit what comes in. Is it clear? And at the same time, who is paying? Bank is paying. Bank is the giver. Bank is personal account. Credit what goes out. That's why bank is credit. Is it clear? So this is when we purchase the asset. Second, record of depreciation at the end of year. Okay, now depreciation is occur, it is your loss. So depreciation account debit to value has reduced, value has gone out. So asset account means depreciation account debit to machinery account or furniture account, whatever. Is it clear? Now whatever the depreciation amount has raised, that again you have to transfer it into profit and loss account. So definitely depreciation is one kind of loss. So it is the nominal account. When you transfer it into the profit and loss account, it is a nominal account, and all expense and losses to be debited, and that's why profit and loss account debit. Okay, which account you have transferred? Depreciation, and that's why it is credited to depreciation account. Okay, so these three basic entries are there, and apart from that, we have to make the ledger: machinery account, depreciation account, and profit and loss account. So as sum will come at that time, I will show you how to do that, कैसे करना चाहिए. And at the same time, so many times, अभी तो हम लोगों ने फाइनल अकाउंट नहीं सीखा है, लेकिन फाइनल अकाउंट में इसका ट्रीटमेंट, डेप्रिसिएशन का ट्रीटमेंट एसेट में और प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में हाउ वी डू दैट ऑल्सो आई विल शो यू व्हेन वी विल स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइज, मीन्स इन फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. इज इट क्लियर? यहाँ पर आपका थियरी पार्ट टोटली कंप्लीट हो गया. इन फर्स्ट पार्ट मैंने आप लोगों को डेप्रिसिएशन रिलेटेड अलग अलग एस्पेक्ट्स, उसके ऑब्जेक्टिव, डिटर्मिनेशन, टाइप्स, अपने सिलेबस में क्या आने वाला है वो सब, और आज जो है डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेट करने का फॉर्मूला है, परसेंटेज इज नॉट गिवन, एंड सेकंड अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट, इतनी मैंने आप लोगों से डिस्कशन किया है. सो दैट मच इज इनफ. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ टू सॉल्व द सम्स ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन. फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट. सेकंड थिंग जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसका वर्किंग नोट कैसे बनाना. वंस यू विल नो हाउ टू मेक द वर्किंग नोट, यू विल बी मास्टर इन दिस, बिकॉज बाकी फिर सब चीज़ें मैकेनिज्म ही है. वंस यू विल अंडरस्टैंड, यू विल डू इट. ओके, सो दिस मच इनफ टुडे. बाय, सी यू ऑल ऑफ यू, टेक केयर.